Hi my beauties, so today I'm going to show you how to do 5 hairstyles that you can wear at your gym, dance class or while doing any physical activity outside or indoors at your home. These hairstyles will outlast any sweaty workout and will keep the hair out of your face. So let's get into it. So now for the first hairstyle, which is a high Dutch braid, I'm making a high ponytail like so. Now I'm going to secure the ponytail with a rubber band. To make the ponytail more tighter, you can wrap the rubber band in such a way that one wrap comes under the other. So this will ensure that the rubber band is nice and tight. Now I'm taking this serum from Lavish. It is an argan serum, but you can use any serum. This is just to tame the hair. As you can see, I'm only applying it on the ends. Now divide the hair in 3 sections and start braiding in reverse, which means the first strand goes under the second and the third one goes under the first. And now continue doing this until the end of the hair. Now secure it with a rubber band and make sure the rubber band is secured really nice and tight, because the hair will go through a lot of jumping and movement through the exercises. If you have baby hairs or flyaways, you can always use a hairspray or hair gel to keep them in place. And we are done with our first hairstyle. This one is so easy to do and looks so sporty. I wear this almost all the time I work out. Now for the second hairstyle, we are going to continue from this one. You just want to pull the braid a little like so. And now simply wrap the braid around the rubber band and secure it with some bobby pins. You can use 4 to 5 bobby pins to secure the bun. You can also pull it out a little bit like that to give it a poofier look, and your sleek bun is ready. Now for the third hairstyle, that is the space buns, you want to part your hair from the center and comb them really thoroughly. Now grab one side of the hair using a comb and tie them up with a rubber band. Now divide the hair in 2 sections and twist it around each other. You can also pull the hair out a little bit if you want a puffy bun, and now wrap the bun on the rubber band. And now secure it using some bobby pins. Now I'm using this gel from BBlunt. This is to tame the flyaways, and I'll link the product in the description box, so if you want to check that out. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. So you want to lock your bobby pins in this way in a cross manner, so that this will lock the hair in place and the bobby pins won't come out easily. And your space buns are ready. They look so cute and fun. I think they would look great on dancers. Now the fourth hairstyle is a Dutch braid. So this will take a little practice before acing, but once you get the hang of it, you're good. So I have divided the hair from the center into 2 equal parts and I'm tying the other part away. And now I'm using a hair gel for a neater look. You can also use a hair mousse. Now you want to take a small section of hair from the front in a V shape like that. This should be about an inch or inch and a half, and you want to divide it into 3 equal parts. Now start braiding by taking the third strand under the second strand like that, and take the first one under the third like that. So basically we are braiding under the middle strand. So the third one goes under the second and the first one goes under the third. Once you have a good grip on your hand, you can start taking some hair from each of the sides. And while doing that, keep in mind that your hand goes into the back direction so that the braid stays in the center. You want to repeat it until you run out of the hair on your scalp, and then simply braid a 3-strand braid with the remaining hair until the end. Secure it with a rubber band and one side is done. Now if you feel that the braid is sticking out a little bit, just take a bobby pin and pin it straight. This will connect the braid with the scalp. Now repeating the same on the other side. This one looks so sporty and so cool. You can also wear a cap on this. So if you're going for any outdoor sports, it will look really cute. So now coming to the fifth one, it is a high ponytail with a twist. So you want to part your hair from the center. Now taking one more straight section from an inch or two away from the center part and tie the remaining hair away. Now take some hair and divide them into 3 and make a Dutch braid like I showed you before. Like one strand goes under the other, and keep doing that, and also keep adding some hair from the scalp. Now pin it back with a bobby pin and repeat the same on the other side. Now tie a high ponytail with all the remaining hair, like that. And take a strand of hair and wrap it around the rubber band and pin it. And we are done. So you can use a little bit of gel to make the braid more neater, but I like the messy look, so I've kept it that way. This one is so chic and so stylish. Absolutely love this one. So those were the 5 hairstyles. I wanted a little break from the skincare and hair care videos, so I did this one. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the big thumbs up, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also press the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much. Bye.